Welcome back in the series of video on Apex development. In this video we will discuss about expressions and operators. So what are operators? Operators are used to perform any type of calculation in Apex. So basically I have listed here 5 types of operators, and there are more types of operators which we can find out in Apex document guide. So there are 5 types of operators, which is arithmetic operations. So these are used for doing arithmetic calculations in Apex. Then there are comparison operators. So these are used to perform a comparison between two types of data type in Apex. Then there is assignment operator. So we have used this operator many times in our Apex code in previous videos. Then there are logical operators and increment and decrement operator. So let's have a look at some of this operator, and we will look at the rest of the operators in the future videos when we will actually use them. So what are arithmetic operators? So they are used for doing arithmetic calculations. So here you can see from line number 48 to 55 I have used some arithmetic operators here. So in line number 48 I have used plus sign. So plus is used for addition, so it is a arithmetic operator. Then minus is used for subtraction, so it is also an arithmetic operator. And there is multiplication and there is divide. So any type of arithmetic calculation which we have learned in our schools, we can do them using arithmetic operations. So let's execute this part of code. So in the 48th line we are adding the numbers, here we are subtracting the number, here we are multiplying the number, and here we are dividing the number, and then we are printing the outputs of them. Let's execute the highlighted part. Here on the debug you see the first line number 49 is sum. So here 1 plus 2 is 3, then 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. So these are some of the arithmetic operators. So we have covered all the arithmetic operators here, and we have also covered assignment operators. So we are assigning the sum of these into this using, so sum of 1 plus 2 we are assigning into a variable called sum, and we are using the operator equal to. So this is our assignment operator. Now let's go to the document of the operators. So let me go to that. So this is a document for expressions and operators. You can find all type of operators in this guide. So in the operators you can see there are a lot of operators. So these are our logical operator, or, and then here and, these are our logical operators. Then this is equality operator, which is our again comparison. So if we want to compare if two numbers are equal or not, so we will use double equal to. And then exact equality operator, here it is. Then the less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, and not equal to. So you can find out all these operators by searching operators in Apex in Google, or I will also leave the link of this document in the description below. And now let's look at expressions. So what are expressions? Actually we have already covered expression part. So actually this is the expression by using operators and some variables or methods. We haven't discussed about methods, so we can also use methods in expressions. So I have used two variables, two numbers, 1 plus 2, and then formed the expression which is of type addition. So that's it in this video. Let's look at the definition of expression. So this is the definition. An expression is a construct made of variables, operators, and method invocation that evaluates to a single value. So anything which evaluate to a single value is an expression. So 2 plus 3 will evaluate to 5, so it is a single value, hence it is an expression, and the value of that will be 5. That's it. And we have already covered multi-line and single line comments in the videos on list, set, or map. So that's it in this video. From the next video we will discuss about control flow statements. In that we will discuss about conditional statements, switch statements, and loops in Apex. Thank you very much, and if you have any doubt then please reach out to me on Twitter, where my handle name is @Shubham. Thank you very much.